And secondly, it becomes a gold standard because it can easily be applied whether you are in a remote setting or whether you are in a coasting setting.
This is a baby to Malawi. It's just 3 years since we started genomics, and as such we are still learning, and we have learned a lot through the trainings that Africa CDC and also ASLM supports us with the wet lab. And for the wet lab, we are very good at that. We have done a lot of sequences with that.
The other area that we will be supporting in this project is working with you to establish a national certification program for your laboratories. The lab where genomic sequencing is being established, we also want it to be accredited to the international standards through establishment of quality management systems. So over and above that, we also want to support the country in having a national certification program where you are able to monitor your labs in terms of their quality management systems as they build towards international ISO accreditation.
Bioinformatics was intimidating because it looked like this scary thing that, it's just coding and coding, but you come here and you, not even just here. I think before that I had experience with a mentor, and he just showed me that it's just using the tools that you have, so computer science tools, data science tools, and just using them in a biology and health context, and just making things better and faster.